In 2020, an automated weather station in northern Montana recorded something it was never designed to detect. Footsteps. The station sat alone on open land, more than 30 miles from the nearest town. No roads, no buildings, no reason for anyone to be there. That night, a blizzard moved in. Winds over 50 miles per hour. Temperatures well below zero. Travel was impossible. At 1:48 a.m., the station's ground vibration sensor activated. The pattern was clear, rhythmic, evenly spaced. Walking. The system logged pressure consistent, with human footsteps moving toward the station, then stopping directly in front of it. There was no heat signature, no body mass detected by thermal sensors. Just pressure. At 1:52 a.m., the footsteps began circling the station. Not random. A perfect loop. Cameras activated, but the storm showed nothing. Only snow moving sideways across the lens. The footsteps continued for 12 minutes. Then they stopped. At 2:05 a.m., the pressure sensor triggered one final time, directly behind the station. When technicians reached the site 2 days later, they found no tracks, no disturbances, no damage, but the data was intact. Every step, every pause, every change in direction. An internal review concluded, human presence cannot be ruled out, but one engineer added a note that never made it into the final report. Wind does not walk, and storms do not circle.